Hey, buddy. Here you go. Little breakfast pumpkin. So the pain in my neck yesterday told me that I will not be sanding knives today because I spent all day yesterday working on sanding knives, and I'm going to start forging more handles, trying to get ahead of the holiday cookware orders. So that's what I'll be working on today, give the neck a break. In other news, I needed a large propane burner to get the stock tank hot for scalding the pig so I can scrape the hair off of him. And boy, look at that burner. I think this will do it. Woo! Yep. I think that'll do it. So I got the compost pile moved, got the bunny moved, and got the straw bales set up in a rough location where they're gonna get used for a straw bale garden. So pretty soon Henry the pig is gonna be migrating south to Freezerville, USA. So I'm getting the tractor ready for such occasion. And I got this rigging system set up so I can hook his feet up to these hooks and move him around easily. Well, today I got my head in the gutters again, literally. And you know, of course, gutters for the blacksmith shop wouldn't be complete without forging something for them. So my idea is we're gonna make some rebar brackets that hang down here, have a little curve to them, and that way the ABS black pipe will fit right in there. That's the idea, at least. I read somewhere that you should have about 1/4 inch of drop for every 10 feet of your gutters. So this is 36 feet. I figured if it drops an inch, that would fall within that, but that just doesn't seem like a lot. So I'm gonna probably make it drop at least like 4 inches or so and just give it a nice slope. And then it's gonna drain out into a stock tank over here and fill up the stock tank so I can gravity feed it to the garden. So there's the parts. They're all a little bit longer than each other, so I can cut them to length. And I'm just gonna bend it around here. wire and cut it off, and then let it drop 4 inches or so. So the other evening I was watching the old YouTubes and I was checking out Nathan from Out of the Woods Forestry channel, and he decided to share his political preferences, and I thought it'd be a great idea if I share mine too. So what I think that about sums it up, folks. Don't forget to get out there and vote, and I hope you guys are thinking about politics and take it as seriously as we do. Alright, so now I gotta get the roof cut off evenly right in the center of the pipe, and I'm in a race against the rain that I don't think I'm gonna win. Alright, well the gutter won that race, but it was nice because now I can see where the water drips, and I can tell I'm gonna cut back about another 1/4 inch, and that way it'll be perfectly centered on the pipe where it goes in. I won't miss out on any of it. If you're interested in purchasing some of our cookware, we encourage you to sign up with our email list at stagecoachforge.com. Sign up with the email list, and then we'll send recipes, and we'll let you know when we open up for the next round of pre-orders. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thanks for following along. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to see more of these videos and you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like, and even turn on your notifications if you want. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good evening.